Hello and welcome to our Selenium WebDriver training with project. Today I want to discuss about one of the hot skills in the market, that is Selenium WebDriver training. So let's get started. The agenda for our discussion is: what is Selenium WebDriver? Our training delivery, training outline, project, about our faculty, placement assistance, our contacts. About Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is one of the most popular automation tools in the market. Automation is one of the hottest skills in demand in the market. It is open source and hence used extensively. There is considerable demand for trained people to work on project. All top companies have a team for automation testing. It is used to test websites and applications. Selenium is popularly used with Java but also being used increasingly with Python. Besides Selenium, other tools are Appium. Now about our training: we conduct workshop-style complete hands-on training. Faculty will explain the topics, demonstrate it, and then give assignments which participants are expected to work on. As faculty is a working professional from this domain, so they exactly what is required and conduct the classes accordingly. Classes are done for nearly 3+ months, after which projects are assigned so people can work independently on a project. The training is done on Java and necessary knowledge of Java is given in the training. Training is conducted in classroom and Zoom through Live Trainer. About our faculty. Our faculty is an experienced industry professional with 15+ years of hands-on domain experience and exhaustive knowledge in this area. He is very patient with participants and handles their logical queries to their complete satisfaction. As a senior member, he is eager to offer help and guidance to young professionals wanting to learn and work in automation with Selenium. Past participants have given very high ratings to this program. The course includes Introduction, Selenium Architecture, Locator Techniques, Selenium Setup, WebDriver, Testing Framework and Tools, TestNG, Concept of Hybrid Framework, Build Management Tool, Maven, GitHub, Project Deployment. Our placement assistance: we offer placement assistance to our candidates. Our faculty will prepare you so that you can clear the interview on your own. Multiple candidates have got placed. We offer an internship option where fresh graduates can learn and work in this domain. We do not offer any placement guarantee. Reach out to us and our team will be more than happy to help you. Call +91 905109235. Email pallium.skills@gmail.com. Website https://www.palliumskills.com/